compound interest. When the money is borrowed on simple interest, then interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period. However, in the case of compound interest, the borrower or the lender agree to fix a certain unit of time. That is 1 year or a half year of 1 quarter of a year to settle the previous account. If the interest is compound annually, the interest is added to the principal and principal changes after every year. So, compound interest formula A equal to P 1 plus 1 by 100 to the power of n. So, see here friends, A equal to amount at the end of fixed period, P equal to principal, R equal to annual interest, n equal to number or time per year the interest is compounded, T equal to the time, Ci equal to compound interest. So, see here friends, if compounding time is not mentioned, we take it as per annum. If interest is compounded annually, A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of T. When rates are different for different years, A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 into 1 plus R by 3 by 100 and so on. When the period is not a complete number of years, say 2 years 4 months, A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of 2 into 1 plus 4R by 12 into 100. When interest is compounded half yearly or semi-annually, n equal to 2. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 to the power of 2 into T. The relationship between the compound interest and simple interest is given by Ci equal to simple interest into 100 by R into T, means rate into time. 1 plus R by 100 minus to the power of T minus 1, where Si equal to simple interest. So, friends, here we can find that if we won't pay some money to the bank, again the money will be added. So, it is called simple interest. So, if it is added more and again more, then it is compound interest. So, friends, usually we are using this for if we don't have money, we are going to bank and we are depositing money or we are taking money from them. So, if we take money from them, we have to pay more than we borrow. So, because it is depend upon the interest which is fixed by bank, and same if we deposit money on the bank, they will also pay more money than we pay to them. So, it is also depend upon the interest set by the bank. Hello.
Hello, Swero.
Hi, Swero. What's your name?
I am Akshayanandu from Necracal School.
Yes, Swero. What's your doubt?
My doubt is, when interest is compounded quarterly, then how many conversion periods we will take in a year?
Yes, Swero. What's it? Can you repeat it once again?
When interest is compounded quarterly, then how many conversion periods we will take in a year?
Yes, Swero. If the interest is annually, then we will take 2 times, because the year is divided into 2 times, 6 months and 6 months. Are you clear your doubts, Swero? Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Swero. So, friends, see here, if 1 year is 12 months. So, if the interest is compounded, then it will take 6 months once and 6 months once. So, it is 2 times in a year. So, friends, sometimes we are using percentage To find the percentage, we have to divide it by 100. Yes, Sparrows? Yes. And Sparrows, now let us see. So see here, Sparrows, you can find this money plus the interest. Means if we not paid the interest to the correct time, they will add again and again the interest. So per 1 year is this much, and plus again interest is added to that money. So P, the percentage is profit year equal to 2. So we can say this is compound interest. So see here friends, here we can also say, so see here friends, here if we don't have any money, we are going to bank and we are taking money from the bank, and at last we have to pay more money than we borrow. See here friends, you can find this picture. So friends, here principal equal to the money which you paid or which you brought. Interest means the bank will decide that. Amount equal to the principal plus interest. You can say the principal. See here friends, you can find this picture here and this picture here. So you can say principal plus interest. So friends, in the percentage, you can also find here, we are dividing this percentage by 100. Why we are dividing this percentage by 100? Yes, the word percentage itself per 100 means per every 100. Hello Sparrow.
Hello Sparrow, this is Gautami Sparrow.
Yes Sparrow, what's the doubt?
Yes Sparrow. Tell the commercial usage of mathematics.
Yes Sparrow, the commercial usage means nothing but arithmetic, profit and loss, and banking, simple interest and compound interest, banking and discount, foreign exchange, stock and share. These are the commercial usage of commercial mathematics. Are you clear Sparrow? Yes Sparrow? Yes. Next, now we are going to know about, now we are again going to repeat profit and loss. So friends, how can we say profit and loss are common in our life? Yes Sparrow, in each and every business, profit and loss are common. So how can we say that? Yes, sometimes they will spend more money, but in the return they will get less money. So it is loss, and sometimes they will pay less money and they will get more money. So we can say it is as profit. So in this way we can say profit and loss are common in our life. So friends, when we are waking in the morning, we are going to shops, we are buying different types of things. So by buying that also, sometimes we are getting profit and sometimes we are getting loss. Why we are getting like that Sparrows? Because profit and loss are common. So Sparrows, now we can also say that profit and loss are depend upon cost price and selling price. So Sparrows, now we are going to find about discounts. When we find discount, yes, in the festival season we are finding discounts for textiles, for dresses, for furnitures, etc. We are finding this discount. So friends, now we are going to know. So friends, now we are going to know about, see friends, usually we are going to market to buy different types of things. So when we are buying that, sometimes we are getting more money, but sometimes we are getting less money. So we should not never feel sad, because if we get once loss, we will get again profit. And when we are getting loss, we should not be sad. And when we are getting profit, we should not be more happy. We should be in ourselves. So friends, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity for me. First of all, I am thanking our beloved secretary Praveen Kumar sir and Nakalyani madam, our principal Nakalyan madam, Sridhar sir garu, and our maths teachers Ganesh sir, Lakshmiran madam and Arna madam. Thank you a lot, and thank you Ananta Lakshmi madam. Thank you friends. Bye bye.